5-star with me. I have 5-star here and I have Fevicol. Okay. So for 5-star, I'm going to keep them and check the height. Okay. So third one and fourth one. We will need all the 4. Okay. So it's coming exactly to the 5. I'm going to now stick them all together with the help of a Fevicol. You cannot use glue gun here because it's thermocol. No using glue guns. Okay. And start sticking this way. So बस आपको फेविकॉल की मदद से चारों को सर्कल्स को इस तरह से चिपका लेना है एक के ऊपर एक. हाइट चेक कर लेना जो भी आपकी चॉकलेट है. मैं यहाँ पे 5-स्टार यूज कर रही हूँ तो मुझे 4 थर्मोकॉल्स की जरूरत है. अगर आप 5-स्टार की जगह डेयरी मिल्क यूज करोगे या किटकैट यूज करोगे तो हो सकता है एक थर्मोकॉल कम लगे या ज्यादा लगे. हाइट चेक कर लेना है ऑलवेज. ओके. दिस इज माय फोर्थ वन. Okay, this is how it looks like right now. We are going to let it stick and I'm going to just take out all my 5 stars and we'll just check how many will we require and then I'll tell you how to stick it. Just place them close to each other. This way, you will first place everything together and check. I'm just placing all of them first and checking and then I will tell you how to arrange. Okay, so this is all I will require. I will take them out now. And keeping this aside first, we are going to use our tape. You can use your regular cello tape or you can use double side tape. And I'm going to first start sticking my double side tape on my thermocol. On the top first, the whole circle will go in. This is also known as a tacky tape. People who do craft work will know. Okay. And now I'm going to first stick it on the bottom as well and then take off the topmost layer and stick my chocolates. So दोनों तरफ ऊपर और नीचे मैंने यहाँ पे डबल साइड टेप लगा लिया है और बस अब मैं इसको निकाल लूंगी. जो टेप का ऊपर का ये व्हाइट हिस्सा है ये निकल जाता है. तो I will just take that off. And it will just get transparent this way. You can just peel it off. Okay, it's got nice and transparent. Same way I'll go on the top layer as well. I hope it's clear what I've done till now. I'm trying to record the session. If possible, I will post the recordings on YouTube and share it. Okay. And now we're going to start sticking our chocolate. Start sticking your chocolate close to each other. Make sure if you're sticking it like this, stick it like this all the way. If you're sticking it this way, then stick it all the way. Okay, I'm just going. Okay, I'm just sticking close to each other. Don't press the chocolate too much. Guys, please mute yourself. Please don't unmute in between. And then on the top, we are going to use fresh flowers. You can use fresh flowers or you can use artificial flowers. Anything is fine. Depending on the client's budget, you need to work on it. Also, if you want to give it to someone like this for Valentine, you can also keep a teddy bear on the top. Just take the teddy bear and also give them. I'm just keeping, I'm just moving them and sticking. Okay, and just press it a little so that everything is nicely stuck onto the thermocol. See, our base is ready. Our chocolate base is ready. Our 5-star chocolate base is ready. Similarly, you can use any of your choice, any chocolate of your choice, and then ribbon. And then we are going to just use a ribbon, tie it up over here. You can use red ribbon or you can use a bow. Anything is fine. We'll also put a tape on it completely. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead, use a transparent sellotape, what we use regularly. And I'm going to put a tape on the center of the chocolate so that they stay intact. They do not leave their place. And we are going to cover it up with the bow. Don't worry, the tape is not going to be seen. And I'm just done. So I'm just going to cut it up. So this is all done. Okay, you can just lift it up and move it. It's done. It's stuck nicely. And on the top, we're going to do some flowers. You can also use toppers like these. There are heart toppers available in the market. There are love toppers also available in the market. I will just show it to you. these kind of love. Uh, One second. Okay. So these kind of, I'm not putting this inside. You can just see. These are the options you can use, or these kinds of toppers as well. Okay, up to you. And then we have some roses. You can use fresh rose, or you can use artificial rose, or you can also leave it like this as well. I'm just going to cut the rose and put the rose inside. I'll just insert a toothpick on the base of the rose. So रोज के बेस में मैं यहाँ पे टूथपिक डाल रही हूँ, और वो टूथपिक हम अंदर डालेंगे इस तरह से. Just a second. Okay, like this. You can use any color rose, up to you. Any color rose is fine. Just putting toothpicks first and then we'll arrange. We're using white, pink, and red roses. Going with pink. You can also use carnations if it's very easily available. Okay, we're left with doing a white, one red in the center, and I'm done. Done with my rose part. I'll put a heart on the top this way, and a ribbon. Ribbon or bow, anything is fine. Just a second, guys. I'm getting the bow, and then we're done with this chocolate book. See, as of now, this is how our bouquet looks like. You can also put these kinds of love messages inside. Just create a space and then put love. Okay, so I have a bow right here. I'm going to I'm just going to put a tape there. Okay, and I'm going to stick my bow here in the front. Press it, move back, and just tie the bow. Just remove the excess. And my chocolate bouquet is done and ready. This is how. Okay, this is how it looks like, our chocolate bouquet. Just a second. Okay, this is how it looks like. I hope you liked it. I will just unmute everyone. So if you have any questions, you can just ask. I've unmuted. So if you have any questions, you can just again press unmute and question.
Excuse me, ma'am. How can we use homemade chocolate instead of 5-star?
For that, you will need to make chocolate bars. So instead of 5 stars or dairy milk, you will need to use any of the homemade chocolate bar and then use them. You cannot make those small chocolates, the heart or maybe something else. You need to make bars.
Okay. Bars. And we have to wrap it and then stick it.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Hey, hi. Can you show me how to prick the toothpick to flower once more, please?
Okay, fine. Okay, so I have a toothpick and I have the flower. I've just trimmed the stem of it, and we just need to insert the toothpick and then put it up over here. That's it.
Thank you. I got it.
Welcome. Any more doubts? Are we good for this one? Should I start with the donuts?
Excuse me, ma'am. It's
Yeah,
really
yeah.
a very nice. Very nice. It's affordable. Thank you so much.
Thank you, dear. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
When we use homemade chocolate and we
Mhm.
wrap it, so when we stick it to the tape, actually wrapper is stick to the tape and chocolate cannot stick properly. So how to deal with that?
No, it will stick. If you have wrapped it properly, make sure to use a thick quality of foil, not to use a regular thin foil. Because if you're using the thin foil, what will happen is it will stick to the tape, but it might just leave tape. Okay, later on it might not be stable there. So make sure to use a thick quality of foil paper and then wrap it. Or also one more thing you can do is do a paper covering on the top. Instead of foil, you can go for chocolate wrappers as well.
Yes, I am using chocolate wrappers. Sometimes also this happens. So I should use thick type of wrapper or any special type of wrapper is there for bouquet?
Yeah, you can use paper kind of wrappers. That is perfect. With that, you will be able to stick.
Paper kind of wrapper.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Ma'am?
fine. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello,
Welcome.
hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
How much can we charge for this bouquet?
Dear, I don't sell all these. I just teach, so I can just tell you how to calculate it, so you can do that. I will just leave a voice note on the group on how to calculate it. Accordingly, you can calculate and charge.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Actually, the thermocol is being banned nowadays, right?
No, it's available over here very easily.
Okay. At my place, it's been banned. Instead of thermocol, what can we use?
You can use cardboard as well. So you will not be able to stack thermocol this way. You will need to make a round out of thermocol and then cut a circle out of thermocol, this one cardboard, and stick it on top of that. So it will become a round. You will have to stick that and then on top of that one circle.
Okay. Means
Yeah.
all
Or
the
if you
circles
want-
of the cardboard only.
Yeah. No, you will not be able to stack like this. Like I've made different layers and I've stuck them together, right? You will not be
Yeah.
able to do that with thermocol. 1 minute. I'll just show it to you with a paper. 1 second.
Yeah.
So what you can do is, if this is your thermocol, this one cardboard, you will have to just cut a sheet of cardboard and roll it up like this. Okay?
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
on
Okay.
top of it, you will have to stick a circle.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Anything else, guys? I'll just check the chat box as well once. Ma'am, I used fresh flower bouquet base bought from Florist once. No problem. You can use those green sponge as well, which is available in the market, which the florist use. You can use that as well. But I don't think you will be able to make a circle with that, because that mostly is available in either a square or a rectangle piece. So for circle, it's better if you could go for cardboard or thermocols.
मैम एक छोटा सा रिकैप बता दीजिए ना प्लीज कि स्टार्टिंग से
Okay.
आपने जैसे बनाया.
तो हमने क्या किया था, हमने 4 थर्माकोल शीट्स को स्टिक किया था एंड देन उसके बाद हमने टेपिंग करके सारे 5 स्टार्स को साइड में स्टिक किया एंड देन हमने एक और टेपिंग किया था ऊपर से जिससे ये स्टेबल रहे एंड देन वी डिड फ्लावर्स को टूथपिक पे अटैच कर ऊपर अटैच किया था एंड एक हार्ट टॉपर यूज किया था. उसके बाद बो या रिबन आप वापस से 5 स्टार्स के ऊपर कवर करके लगा सकते हो. दैट्स ऑल.
Hello, ma'am.
थैंक यू मैम.
Just a second, guys. I'm just going through the chat box once. I
Hello,
will be
ma'am.
sharing pictures, guys, but please don't use my pictures. Please don't use my pictures. Just make your own work and then share that.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
मैम रिबन कैसे बना सकते हैं?
रिबन कैसे बना सकते हैं? रिबन तो आपको रेडीमेड खरीदना पड़ेगा.
ओके मैम.
या आपको रिबन रेडीमेड खरीदना पड़ेगा. आप वो घर पे बना सकते हो, मतलब उसको रिबन से आप फ्लावर बना सकते हो एंड उसको स्टिक कर सकते हो, नहीं तो रेडीमेड ऐसे इस तरह से बोज मिलते हैं, बस आपको
Okay,
पुल करना पड़ता है, यू कैन स्टिक देम.
okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Good afternoon,
Excuse
ma'am.
me, ma'am. ये
I
अगर
wanted to ask you that suppose we want to make a fountain bouquet, like it is of layers, then how do we make it?
So
This is
same
the
way you
base.
will, yeah, so this is the base, okay? So you will have to make a smaller size of this, like the cardboard
Okay,
size,
okay, okay, okay.
whatever it is.
Got it,
So
got it, got
smaller
it.
will
So it
come
will
on
be the
top.
same process, right?
Yes, same process.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, मैम अगर
Yeah.
हमको किसी को ये गिफ्ट में देना है किसी को, तो
हाँ,
इसके ऊपर और एक कुछ रैपिंग होगी कि सिर्फ ऐसे ही किसी को भेजना है सपोज,
बस आप
तो
ऐसे ही दे सकते हैं.
ओके ऐसे ही दे सकते हैं. और अगर इन केस हमको उसको मीन्स एक बैग में डालना है, जैसे अभी रास्ते में लेकर जाना है किसी को दे रहे, तो इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस के हम लोग कुछ ऐसा रैप कर सकते हैं.
कर सकते हो आप, जो गिफ्ट रैपिंग शीट्स आती है ट्रांसपेरेंट वाली, उसको
Okay,
आप रैप
okay.
कर सकते हो.
ओके ओके.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I'll just mute everyone once again. I am so happy to see such good response from all of you guys. I hope you all liked it. We are actually short of time, so I'll quickly start with the donuts. The recipe for the donuts I've already given you guys. I've already shared the link. Okay, you can just watch the video and make donuts. Okay, I have my donuts right here. I made them in the morning, shot the video for you guys, and I've just saved them. I didn't do the decoration part. Okay, for the decoration, I have my chocolate, okay? White chocolate and dark chocolate. I have my white chocolate and dark chocolate, okay? Melted, both of them we have melted. I go for Morde. You can use Morde, you can use 2M, Coco, Wendley, whichever brand you're fine with using, you can use that. And I'm going to start dipping them in my bowls, and we're going to do the top part. And also I'm just filling little bit of chocolate, both the chocolates in a piping bag. Just be patient enough. I'll just complete this and come back to the question. Just 2 minutes. You can write a message as well if you want to write a message. I'm just going to fill a little bit of my white chocolate. Like if it's for Valentine, maybe you can write I love you on the donut. You can write XO, XO. Okay, so I'll just begin. Okay, I'm just going to dip it inside, take it out, and turn. Place it up right here. Moving on to the next, dipping it inside, taking it out, shake, and turn and shake again. And when it's wet itself, I'm going to do a design. Just a second. I'm just trimming my piping bag a little bit. I'm just going to do a drizzle, okay? And on this one, I'm going to write XOXO. You can write XO, you can write love, anything is fine. And a little bit of drizzle on the base. Moving on to the next one. One more in chocolate, 3 I will be doing in my white chocolate, and yeah, 2 more in dark. Same way, I'll dip it in, remove excess, shake. Okay, so 1 more, 4 in dark, 3 in white. You can also put lots of sprinkles as well. And I'm going to write love here. We are going to let it dry completely, let it set. And drizzle on the base. I love these drizzles, okay? In case you don't like drizzling, you can skip. And moving on and using some sprinkles. You can also put some sprinkles here as well. Any sprinkles, heart sprinkles also you can purchase. Little here and there I'm just doing. Okay, okay, this is done. 4 of them are ready. I'm going to be using blue wrappers, okay, blue wrapping sheets like these. That is why I'm using blue sprinkles. If you're using pink or you're using red, make sure to use those sprinkles as well. Next, I'll do these white. Same way, I'll do white. You can do red as well, up to you, your choice. And drizzle with dark chocolate. Just filling the dark chocolate in my wrapping bag. तो बस चॉकलेट में डिप किया है व्हाइट एंड डार्क चॉकलेट. मेरा रैपर जो है वो ब्लू कलर का है, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे ब्लू स्प्रिंकल्स यूज किया है. अगर किसी कोई रेड सेलेक्ट कर रहा है तो रेड स्प्रिंकल्स यूज करें, पिंक स्प्रिंकल्स यूज करें. मेक श्योर टू गो विद द कलर कॉम्बो. And going with some drizzles. So I'm just going to let them set now. They look beautiful. And I have 4 hearts, 1 heart in my chocolate, dark chocolate. And You can just write anything if you want to. Or drizzles again. One in white. You can also do 2 to 3 coatings if you want to. I love going with single coating. And dark chocolate. And 2 more hearts I'm going to do with red. Okay, I'm just getting the red chocolate. We'll dip them in white and keep them ready. Red as in you need to mix candy colors to the chocolate. Please don't use water-based colors. People who are new to chocolate, no using water-based colors. Make sure the water does not touch chocolate or else your chocolate will seize. Okay, I have the red chocolate here. I'm going to go do some drizzles, and I'm going to use a toothpick and create a design. You can go in swirls. Little swirls. Okay, and now we will let it set. Okay, so this is done. This is done. This is also done. This is also done. Almost done, I mean. Okay, so for 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to keep them in refrigerator because we quickly want to start. So that the design does not just go bad. I'm going to keep it in refrigerator. If not, you can let them set on the room temperature as well. That little blue so that it looks good. Keeping it in the refrigerator for just 2 minutes. Till then, we'll show you how to do these. We have, you need to cut 2 rectangles, okay? One with this regular packing paper, and this is kind of a tissue paper, tissue sheet, okay? You need to cut this one smaller in size, this one a little bigger in size. Or if you're doing small chocolates, do wrapping for small chocolate, these both of them needs to be in equal size, okay? And now but it needs to be rectangle only. You cannot change the shape, guys. You cannot change the shape. We are going to be making this way. Okay, start folding like this. Please exit and join in again if I'm not audible. I'm audible, right? Just let me know I'm audible, right? We need to fold it up this way. Yes, right. Okay, okay. Okay. This is the wrapping paper, regular wrapping paper, cellophane sheet. This is the tissue paper. And you need to fold it up this way, cross. Okay, so 2 triangles will appear, one over here and another one over here. And fold in again. Fold in again. And then at the top, we are going to staple it this way. You're going to staple it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 over here. Huh? I'll just check on donuts. Okay. Okay, this one is dried completely. The chocolate is set. Guys, these are available in any of the stationery shops or any packing paper sheet shop where you get these packing papers. Okay, so now we need those, I don't know, what do you call, bamboo sticks, or some call it statistics. These sticks, okay, these are very easily available. We use for our tandooris and all. I'm just going to take out the sticks. And I'll show you how to put these sticks on the donuts. Okay, so I have a donut here. And I'm going to go like this, crisscross. 1 and 2. The chocolate is set on all the donuts. Okay, all the donuts are ready. See, I've written love. There is this one, the heart one, swirls. Okay, I'm just going to make it ready by putting the stick on the heart one. We are going to put single stick. On the heart, single stick. On the donuts, 2 sticks. You can also put it standing as well, just this way. Instead of crisscross, You can put it this way as well. Make sure it should not come out. It should not come out of the donut. The stick should not be visible outside. So same way we'll just arrange on 2 more donuts. You can decide on the quantity of donuts to put in. Or also decide of like according to the client's budget, what is his budget. Okay, so I think we're done with all of them. Now you need to first keep them and arrange, okay, how you want them to be seen. Just arrange it according to how you want them to be seen. This way. Okay, I'll just bring the base and then only I'll start arranging. Or we can just arrange first and tape them together. See, something like this. In pairs. You will need to do it in pairs. And we are going to tape them. Tape them from the base. Just a second. Just a second, guys. Good. So we are pairing 3-3 like this. 3-3 like this and then taping them from the base. Okay, just taping it from the base. Similarly, just tape it up this way. Moving on to the next set. This one, we'll tape this also. Arranging the next set, next batch. Guys, if you have time, what you can do is you can just use those shiny glitter tapes and wrap each of the stick as well. If you have time, you can do that as well. Wrapping the next batch. Okay, and now once your bouquet bunches are ready, okay, like for flowers or for anything else, just we have to arrange it again. Arrange them again, just waiting for my last set. Come here. And now what I'm going to do is tape all of them together now. This is how I want them to look like. So I'm going to go ahead, tape all of them. Okay, just tape them. Make it nice and tight. We'll just tape it a little more base. And we'll do the wrappers now. You can just once again go ahead and just try to arrange them. Okay. Take a rectangle piece. Once again. You need to be very careful. It's a little delicate. And take a rectangle piece of the tissue sheet and wrap it on the base. You can also use a foil as well. You can also use a foil also. And I'm just going to staple it. And then moving on, and the triangles which we created, we are going to start bringing them together and start making a bouquet. First arrange them. And we're going to stick them from the behind. Next step. So this way you will bring your triangles together. You can stick them with tape or also staple them. Cover tightly from the base, and then our bouquet is ready. But we are going to just move our donuts a little bit to bring them in place. Moving my donuts a little to bring them in place, guys. It's done. It's ready. This is how my donut bouquet looks right now. In the video, it does not look that great. Like, I'm not able to show you the arrangement properly. But yeah, it looks beautiful like this. And then we are going to use a bow, a ribbon, make a bow out of it, and tie a bow right here. This is a very simple, budget-friendly one. We are going to stick this bouquet, the bow. Just stick it up over here. And our donut bouquet is ready. Just a second. I will just turn the camera and show you by lifting it up. Okay, just a second. Hi guys, just give me 1 minute, just putting up my camera on the stand. Thank you. Just a second, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for joining in. I will just show you the bouquet. Here is the donut bouquet. This is how it looks like. Okay, that's our donut bouquet. Okay, and I have the chocolate bouquet here. You can also write a message over here on the top. And if there's some message, you can also write a message. That's our bouquet ready. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. I'll just unmute. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I have actually done the recording. Let's just check if the recording is
Excuse me, ma'am.
saved. Yeah. Yes, tell me.
मैम आपने वो जो गिफ्ट रैपर पेपर यूज किया है उसे क्या बोलते हैं, जो स्काई ब्लू कलर का?
बाहर का जो था वो सेलोफेन शीट है जो हम नॉर्मल गिफ्ट रैपिंग के लिए यूज करते हैं, एंड अंदर के लिए जो था वो टिश्यू शीट था.
ओके, टिश्यू शीट एंड सेलोफोन ना?
पेपर, या
Okay, okay.
मैम एक बार फोल्डिंग समझ में नहीं आई।
फोल्डिंग कुछ भी नहीं था, आपको
Triangle.
2 ट्रायंगल्स लेना था, और सॉरी रेक्टेंगल्स लेना था। 2 रेक्टेंगल लेकर अगेन आपको उसको हाफ में फोल्ड करना है, एंड देन यू विल बी एबल टू सी 2 ट्रायंगल्स। स्क्वायर है आपके पास, ये आपके पास जैसे कि स्क्वायर है, ठीक है, रेक्टेंगल है, आई एम सो सॉरी, यू हैव रेक्टेंगल, ओके, एंड देन यू नीड टू फोल्ड इट इनटू हाफ।
बिल्कुल ही बात है भाई,
फोल्डिंग इट
आप ही तो कहती है ना कि हम खंडा रानी है,
into
तलवार से
half,
शादी करके आए हैं।
you see 2 more triangles, 1 and 2.
आप लोगों की तरह
So this is in slant, like not half exactly, but in slant this way.
इसलिए
So now we have 2 triangles here.
तो है।
Guys, please.
मैम आप सबको म्यूट कर दीजिए बिकॉज आप
Yes,
मैम
yes,
म्यूट
yes.
करिए, मैम आप म्यूट करिए, नहीं समझ।
Done, guys, done. Mute कर दिया है। तो 2 एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर देती हूँ। आपको रेक्टेंगल लेना है, उसको इस तरह से क्रॉस में फोल्ड कर लेना है, 2 ट्रायंगल्स दिखेंगे आपको। उसके बाद आपको हाफ ऐसे फोल्ड करना है, हाफ में, जस्ट से वहां तक फर्स्ट स्टेप तक क्लियर होगा। रेक्टेंगल किया, इस तरह से फोल्ड किया, उसके बाद आके एक से, ठीक है, आई विल शो यू इन सिंगल शीट। सिंगल शीट इस तरह से फोल्ड करा हमने, ठीक है, एंड देन गो विथ 1 and 2. ओके, 1 second, 1, नीचे से फिर से ट्रायंगल आएगा आपका, and 2, okay, and then you will have to staple here. I hope this was clear. ठीक है, एक बार रिपीट करती हूँ, यहाँ तक किया हमने, यहाँ तक समझा।
मैम टिश्यू
फिर यहाँ-
पेपर, मैम द टिश्यू पेपर and the
हाँ।
wrapping paper should be equal
हम
in
आपका
size.
वीडियो फिर चला तो फिर नहीं देख पाएंगे जब आप रिपीट करेंगे तब।
Okay, so tissue sheet and the wrapping sheet can be of same size also, or can be a size bigger also. That depends on you.
Okay.
गाइस अभी 2 मिनट प्लीज म्यूट में रखना, मैं एक बार रिपीट कर रही हूँ जिनको नहीं समझ आया हो। यहाँ तक फोल्ड किया, ठीक है, मैं स्टार्टिंग से एक बार लास्ट टाइम बोलती हूँ। ये रेक्टेंगल शीट है, इसको आपने ऐसा स्लांट में फोल्ड करेंगे तो 2 ट्रायंगल आया, ठीक है, ऐसा फोल्ड करना। उसके बाद आपको फिर से नीचे से ट्रायंगल बनाना है, नीचे से आपको दिख रहा है ट्रायंगल, नीचे से ट्रायंगल बनाना है इस तरह से, एंड आप इधर स्टेपल करोगे, तो ये आपका रेडी हो गया। अभी किसी को डाउट है तो आप अनम्यूट करके पूछ सकते हैं।
मैम एक बार लास्ट बार, मैम प्लीज एक बार।
मैं रिकॉर्डिंग शेयर करूंगी, आप उसको रिपीट चेक कर लेना। मैं इसको आई थिंक आई जस्ट चेक, मैं इसको यूट्यूब पे पोस्ट कर दूंगी एंड आई विल शेयर यू द प्राइवेट लिंक, तो आप लोग एक्सेस कर सकते हैं।
Thank you, Muskan, for this wonderful session.
You're most welcome.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, आप चॉकलेट का क्लास लेती है क्या?
अभी तक तो लिया नहीं है, देखते हैं, अभी अगर प्लान हुआ तो मैं शेयर कर दूँ।
ओके, और मैम आपके यूट्यूब का लिंक या चैनल दीजिएगा।
मॉमी बेबी किचन आप चेक कर सकते हो, मैंने ग्रुप पे भी लिंक शेयर किया।
ओके ओके, वो डोनट्स वाला ही लिंक वही है ना? ओके।
एंड 13th को बेकर्स विले पे भी है, अगेन चॉकलेट सेशन ही है, तो उसमें हम बाग बनाएंगे, चॉकलेट बाग, एंड अलोंग विद दैट चूरोज, so you can all join. I'll share the link on the group itself.
वो भी फ्री सेशन है आपका?
हाँ।
मैम ये आप लिंक शेयर कर दीजिएगा ना प्लीज।
Yes, yes, I'll share.
Ma'am, don't remove the group on the WhatsApp. So we
Yeah,
can...
yeah. The group will remain. Group will be there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, where you stay, ma'am?
I am from Chennai.
Chennai. Okay, okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Any more doubts, guys?
There is no doubt, but the awesome bouquets were there.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Tom. Thank you. It's really a good session. Really learn a lot. Thank you.
Nice session, ma'am.
Thank you guys. I hope everything is clear. Thank you so much for joining in. I hope you all enjoyed. Have a nice day. I'll end the recording now. I'm just ending the session now. I will try to share the recordings on YouTube. I'll just save the session for you all. So you can just have a look at the session once again and try making them. And if you try making any of these bouquets, please share pictures on the group. I would love to see them. Thank you so much once again. Bye.
Bye.